create a smart discount pop-up on Shopify, you can use the Sales Pop-up notification app. Here's a brief guide. Install the app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Sales Pop-up notification. Click on Add app, then log in or sign up if prompted. Configure the discount pop-up. Once installed, access the app from your Shopify admin. Follow the app's instructions to set up a discount pop-up. You can customize the appearance, behavior, and timing of the discount pop-up to suit your store's style and needs. Set rules for smart display. Configure smart rules to display the discount pop-up when specific conditions are met, such as when a user spends a certain amount or visits particular product pages. Use intelligent targeting to show pop-ups based on visitor behavior, like exit intent triggers or cart value thresholds. Design the pop-up. Customize the message of the pop-up to highlight your discount or special offer effectively. Adjust the design elements, colors, text, and images to make the pop-up attractive and consistent with your brand. Enable the pop-up. Once everything is set up, activate the discount pop-up to go live on your Shopify store. Test the pop-up to ensure it displays correctly and functions as expected.